It's been long. It's been long. Happy new month once again. This is Intentional Forex Guru. It's been long. I do a video for you guys. Just that I have some stuff that I was doing. I could not do some videos. I was very busy. For right now, I want to give you one of my winning strategy. This strategy is a new strategy entirely. But you can see the setup. They are very wonderful. The setup are very wonderful. And you really use this strategy to milk the market. This strategy is strictly for step index. You want to use it for step index. You want to use it for volatility 75. You want to use it for volatility 10, range breakers, and etc. And even jump. You can use this particular strategy to trade and make money in the market. I just discovered this strategy and it's working perfectly well. I am just waiting for your testimony with this particular strategy. You can also use this strategy to trade boom and crash, but I recommend you use it specifically for step index, range breakers, volatility index, and then etc. So let me show you how it works a little before we move into the setup. Then in your 5-minute time frame, the strategy works perfectly well in your 5-minute time frame. So you use it in your 5-minute time frame and you will definitely be in profit. 5-minute time frame. Here we have Bollinger Bands. This strategy is we have Bollinger Bands and then Bollinger Bands in two places. In your indicator window 1, you have relative strength index, moving average, Bollinger Bands, and then moving average. So this strategy, I'm telling you, works perfectly well. It works perfectly well. It works perfectly well. So it's not like any other strategy out there. Maybe they may be, but this one, I've tested it and I see that it's a wonderful strategy that you can use and make the market. Now, I want to quickly show you something. You know, all my strategy works. This one will not be different from all what I gave you. So, with our arrow as usual, you'll, sorry guys, with our arrow as usual, you see what will happen there, or even you can start from here and make the market. Now, let me explain what happens before you take trades in this strategy. If I happen to be you, I will be patient enough to have these breakouts. Here. You see this breakout at this point. If I happen to be you, anytime I trade step index or volatility 75, I always wait to have a breakout like this. Whenever market goes up this indicator and then there is a breakout at this point, you know the market was ranging at this direction. Let me still show you. The market was ranging. Sorry. Oh God. Sorry. So you know the market was actually ranging at this point. You see this point. From this point upward, the market was ranging up. So it was ranging, trying to come down, but it was not actually coming down. Now, I will wait for this breakout. You see this breakout here. Once the breakout happens, I will place my market with all my confirmations. But this indicator shows that once there is a curve downward, When once there is a curve downward, this Bollinger Band, whenever you see your Bollinger Band, whenever you see your Bollinger Band crossing the market towards the downward direction, you place your market. Whenever it's facing down, just like what that is happening here. Just like what that is happening here. That way you are wait as it crosses a little, you place. But if you place and you have this kind of a little pullback, then you are, moreover, if it crosses at this point, this is where it started crossing very well. If you see this kind of thing where it start crossing, you place, you might have taken these few candles from this place to this place. You know, in 5-minute time frame, when you have this kind of candles from this point to this point, you know what that means. From there to there, from here to here, you know what it means. You've to, at least even with the smallest lot size, you can get some dollars. Then you saw the market pulling back. You, if I were you, I withdraw my capital first, and then my money first, and then my profit first, and then wait until it goes and then retest back. Now when it retests back at this point again, I have another curve. You have another curve here. You have another curve there. You place your market. They call it sniper entry. Some people will even place it at this point when they see that this market is heading to, when they see that that market was heading to this the resistance level here. When they see that the market is heading to this one resistance level here, they will do what? They will place their market. That is sniper entries. That is, they are using price this resistance and support level to trade. Now, but if you are actually using this indicator, you wait until you have this cross. But if I were you and I want to trade using resistance and support level, or you combine the resistance and support level with your indicator, this is where I will place my market. That is what we call sniper entry. Because at that point, you've seen that the market might not necessarily cross this point. You place your market. Then to avoid risk, if you don't have enough capital, you wait until you have what? This cross. Whenever you have this cross, now be rest assured that the market is actually riding, going down. Now from this point to this point, you have been in a very serious profit. Sorry, from that point, I don't know why this phone is showing. Okay, from that point, from this point again down, right down to this point, you have gotten a lot of profit. Now, but you keep holding. This is 5 minutes. Keep holding, keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. This is where you ride till this point. Now, where do you exit the market? You exit the market when you see this indicator to curve upwards. When you see this indicator curve upwards, then you do what? You exit the market. So that is how to trade this particular step index, volatility 75, and every other volatility pairs. You use this strategy and to milk the market. You know, volatility gives a lot of money. It gives money even more than boom and crash. Except you take a high risk in boom and crash, is when you make much money. But in volatility here, with just one entry that you ride from this point to this point, you know how much you are going home with. So that is it. Then if I were you to, at this point, you would have placed your stop loss at this point, but it's just that so many of us don't have enough capital, so many of you guys, so you will not like to take that kind of risk. You place somewhere there, then you scalp the market, take the market down to this point, and then whenever you have this kind of cross, you know that there is something wrong. You run out from the market. You run out from the market, then waiting for another opportunity. Okay, so that is the first. That is just the first this thing. Let me show you another one. You see it here. So the market comes again, and then there is another cross. You know. Now another thing I want you to know is that do not trade this particular market. Do not trade this market when against the trend. You know, this particular market is a trend market. Let me show you something. The market is a trend market. So when you check your top-down analysis, you can see what I'm saying. Look at it here. in your top-down analysis, the market is moving downtrend. It's a downtrend market. So in your 1 hour time frame, you see the same thing is happening. The market is going down, so you will not like to take that risk by trading against the trend. So that's it. That's it, guys. So at this point, this was the point we talked about. The market still goes up a little and then come down. At this point, you have taken another entry. Like this is in your 1 hour time frame, or you will have taken another entry at this point, and then you ride the market down to this point. You see where it want to do a little thing here, you wait again, take another entry. Seriously, this strategy is another mad strategy. You see, there was another breakout, the market reverse up. You see, when the market start coming down again, you take another entry. I promise you, you will definitely be in profit. But let me not begin to go in this high time frame because our time frame is too big. Now, look at the latest market. You've seen, okay, that is the latest market we are used. You see, the market goes up. When it comes to at this point, you leave the market entirely. The market goes to this point. Even if you start placing your market here, you will not lose. For example, you start here when it comes, you take a little candle down this place, you exit the market, then you wait until it goes up again a little, then you do what? You wait. Yeah, at this point, sir, you have started placing sniper entry at this point. Sniper entry at this point. The market will write you down to this, my dear brother. You will definitely be in profit from this point, where the market calls automatically. Look at it from this point here. You write the market down, and then, my brother, you are good to go. The market will still be going down with this step index, and then in 5 minutes time frame. Now, if you don't see this curve, you can also use this our indicator window 1 to place the market. Our indicator window 1, I want to use this one to explain to you. Our indicator window 1 too has a lot of benefits that you can use and make the market. Now look what happened. Then in our Bollinger Bands, you will allow our first, okay, you allow our first, in this our indicator window 1, you have your moving averages there. We have 3 moving averages there. So the first moving average is this green one. So this green one will definitely touch this 68. This 68 in your relative strength index, or touch this your Bollinger Band. These two blue are your Bollinger Band, and these two blue now serve as your support and the resistance level in your RSI. Now what do? You wait until this blue touches this green touches the blue Bollinger Bands, and then crosses this first indicator. Is the first indicator, green indicator. It will touch this Bollinger Band here, and then this is the second confirmation of if you want to really be in profit. You allow your first moving average to touch your Bollinger Band here, this blue Bollinger Band, and allow it also to cross your red moving average. You see that your red moving average there, then you place your market. When it touch your first Bollinger Band, then on top blue Bollinger Band, then come cross the red moving average at this point, close to the 50, you place your market. Then when you place your market, you see how it writes you down. Even if I were you to, I will exit the market somewhere there. So if I were you, I will also exit the market at this point when the green touches the Bollinger Band that serves as what? A support at this point. At this point you are selling the market because the market is selling at this point. You will not tempt yourself to go and be buying this market now, because if you check your hour time frame, this market is coming down. Irrespective of this pullback that you are seeing there, it is deceitful. So, but you don't waste your money and your capital in this market. So you only wait when you have a setup for sale, then you sell it, and then definitely you will be in profit. So using your good money management, you'll be in profit. So, but this indicator is wonderful. Remember, let me still show you again what happened. You see the same thing at this point. The same thing at this point. When your moving average touches what? Touches. Look at it there. When your moving average touches your Bollinger Band and then start moving across this, you place your market, you will have been in profit from this point. From this point, let me show you some other thing. You would have been in profit from this point down to this point. Then you exit the market. From this point to this point is not a small candle. So even when the market is ranging, you can still use this to be milking the market. The same thing happened here. The same thing happened here. So don't joke with this in the strategy. Even when this one has not given you the right signal, even when this indicator or the Bollinger Bands in your main chart, it's not giving you the right signal, then you use this other word in your indicator window 1 and then trade the market. Remember what I say. So the same thing is applicable when you want to trade buy. You wait for this curve. You wait for this curve. When you want to trade buy, you wait for this curve, and then you wait for this curve, and then you place your market in buy and exit when necessary. Don't wait too long in the market. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy so that you not lose your money. Then you can also use your stocks here, your indicator window 1. You can also use your moving average here when your moving average, green moving average at this point, see your green moving average here, touches your Bollinger Band here and crosses this red. When remember when you want to buy, the one I explained was sell. Then when you want to buy, you allow your green indicator, this green moving average, when it touches this your Bollinger Band here, that serves as your that serves as your support. When it touches at this downside and move across this other moving average and start going up, you place your market in a buy and look at it. Will ride you down. You maybe take your profit when it reaches this 50 and then you are good to go. So that is how this indicator works perfectly well. So let me also show you that this indicator works in other pairs. I will quickly show you it works in other pairs, so for you not to. This is boom. We'll quickly just look it in boom and go away. This is boom 1000. My network is disturbing a little. Okay, look at it in boom too. Look at it guys. When it crosses, you ride the market down. When it crosses, you ride the market down. You see when it crosses here, you start buying the market. At this point, you are selling the market down. You see, at this point when it crosses, you start doing what? You start buying the market. You buy the market like this up in your 5 minutes time frame. You know what it means. When you are buying this market, you will definitely be in profit. But at this point now, you can see that when it crosses here, you start selling the market. You sell and sell and sell to this point, and then you will definitely be in profit. So none of my indicator has a default, so all of them works perfectly well. So apply it very well with a good money management. You will definitely be in profit. Let me rush and give you the setup so that I will upload it for you. Let me give you the setup. Okay, here we have in our setup, you have your Bollinger Bands. Please, you can screenshot it because I may not have time to read all. In your first Bollinger Bands, in your main chart, you have here period 25, deviation 2800.8000, 2800.000, shift 0, apply to close, style 3 pixel, then color. You can use any color of your choice, but if you, I would like you to use my color blue, and then you click done. The second Bollinger Bands, we have period 20, deviation 2850.000, shift 0, apply to close, then style 3 pixel, then color is red. You can also click done, and then there you move. Then indicator window 1, relative strength index, we have 11. Then apply to weighted close, HLCC 4. Then style, you use 1 pixel there, you use color white, so that you will not this thing will not come out. Then levels, there we have 100, 68, 50 and 30, 100, 68, 50 and 32, 100, 68, 50 and 32 in your levels. Look at how your levels will look like. You use black and then 4 pixels so that it will really show the stages. And so that is it. You click, you go back and click done. Then your moving average, the first moving average is period 1, shift 0, then method simple, apply to first indicators data, first indicators data, style 3 pixel, then color, I use green, then there is no level in the first moving average. The second moving average is period 7, shift 0, method simple, apply to first indicators data, then style 3 pixel, then color is red. Then the third moving average, okay, I've shown you the third indicator. There we have Bollinger Bands, another Bollinger Bands. No, sorry, my network is working. Sorry guys. So the third, okay, let me just tell you, just your Bollinger Band there is 34, Bollinger Band is 34 there. Okay, so yes, Bollinger Band 34, deviation 1.618, then shift 0, apply to first indicator, then style is 3 pixel, color is blue, just the way it is. Then you done it, and then there we move. Then your moving average 34, shift 0, method simple, apply to first indicator data, then 3 pixel, use any color of your choice, and then you click done. Then that is all the indicator. Use this indicator and then make the market. The video is long already. I don't want to stay much in the market. Now I want to see your comments. If you have not subscribed to this channel and you are seeing this indicator you are in my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Then send people this the channel link. Tell them to subscribe to this channel and let them also be in profit. This is Intentional Forex Guru. Once again, thank you and enjoy your Christmas. Remember, this is Christmas season. Enjoy and be in profit. Thank you. Bye bye for now. Yeah.